No, I mean, when Henry stands in the house of Burgesses and he says, I know not what course other men may take, but as for me, give me liberty or give me death. He's merely paraphrasing the scriptures in which Joshua says, do as you will, but as for me and my house, we will follow the Lord. Well, again, we're right back in religion again. Well, that's where we get our rights from, people. It's from God. It's not a premise, it's not a theory, it's not a hypothesis. It's an actual, provable, historical fact. Now, I could care less what the university professors are going to tell you. I could care less what the politicians are going to tell you. If you're willing to go back and spend a little bit of time, look at the original sources, you'll find out for yourself that 64% of the Constitution is either reasoned directly from statements made in Deuteronomy or from commentaries on the book of Deuteronomy. That was proven in a 7-year study done by the University of Houston almost 10 years ago. They couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. 15,284 sources. I've had friends of mine talk all the time about how, God had a hand in the Constitution, but you say, how and in what way? Well, the Founding Fathers were Christians, but how and what way? What's the connection between the Bible and the Constitution? The connection is the common law. The common law? Yeah, John, that's where a man and woman kind of, they like live together a little bit without benefit of the preacher having said words over them, right? No. Common law marriage is a marriage at law, in which you sought no benefits, privileges, or opportunities from the state. Common law marriages, all marriages in this country down to the latter 1880s and early 1900s were common law marriages. Pastor still said the words, but the couple was issued a certificate of marriage, not a marriage license. No, marriage licenses only came in when people of different races wanted to marry. Now, what is the significance? Roberts v. Roberts, the United States Supreme Court decision, will tell you that when you go down and apply for a marriage license, the state becomes a third party to your marriage. And that, my friends, is why the state can come in and take your children, take your property, can adjudicate in the matters of your divorce, in event that such a thing happens, because you voluntarily signed away.